Top 7 free all tools you should know in. It is impossibly not to notice how much artificial intelligence is starting to take place in your lives day by day. We have made so much progress with AI tools that they have now becomes an part of your business life. The best all tools in will likely offer provide access, speed, and business to complex tasks more effectively with the continued development of machine learning. The best all tools in will likely be able to process and anything large and more complex than ever before. With OpenAI's launching GPT, the number of free all tools trying to compete with is start in increase day by day. However, the history of some of these all tools is quite older than ChatGPT. At through the most popular tools today are known as ChatGPT and Google Bard. There are various all tools that will increase your while some of these all tools helped us as best free all copywriting tools, some of them because the most important of marketing team as all video creators or all image creator. If you are looking for an tool for free to help your team providing, check this best free AI tools list and onboard an all question for your company easily. Is a field that the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that human intelligence all has been around for server but recent in computing power machine. With the rise of free all tools and platforms such as Dell and company, more people than ever before can experiment with all and build their intelligent application. One area where free all tools have traction in copyright writing and copy that with the is a certified of and the use of all can help to stream this process. There are no sold free copyright tools available online such as Copy and Chat GPT, which use machine learning high quality copy in second like a professional copyright.